Welcome to Eassiy Official. Do you know what a raw disk is and how to recover your valuable data from raw drives without losing data? Today we'll introduce you to some knowledge about raw drives and a powerful tool that can salvage your raw drives files effortlessly. Let's dive right in. What is a raw disk? A raw disk refers to a storage device like a hard drive or solid-state drive, SSD, that hasn't been formatted or structured with a file system. It's essentially a blank slate for data storage, devoid of any organizational framework like FAT32, NTFS, or XT4. How to recover data from raw drives without losing data. Eassiy Data Recovery is a top-leading data recovery with highest recovery rate of photos and videos in the industry. It allows you to recover lost data from 2,000-plus storage devices like raw drives, USB drive, SD card, cameras, etc. Also, it supports more than 1,000 types of files, including photos, videos, files, and more. Besides, Eassiy Data Recovery has two scan modes, Quick Scan and Deep Scan. First, download and install Eassiy Data Recovery from the official website. The process is quick and hassle-free. Then, launch the software. You'll be greeted with a user-friendly interface. Next, select the drive you want to recover data from, and scan the selected drive. Preview and select the files you want to recover. Finally, click on the Recover button and choose a safe location to store your recovered files. That's it. Your data is back safe and sound. How to convert raw disk to NTFS. Now, let's talk about converting a raw disk to NTFS format. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, press Windows +X and select Disk Management from the menu. Then, locate the raw disk. It will be marked as unallocated or with a raw file system. Next, right-click on the raw disk and choose Format. Lastly, select NTFS as the file system and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. In conclusion, dealing with raw disks can be stressful, but with Eassiy Data Recovery, you can effortlessly retrieve your precious files without any hassle. Additionally, converting a raw disk to NTFS is a straightforward process that ensures better compatibility and stability. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Until next time, stay safe and keep your data protected.